Hi, today I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying door lock problem on Mercedes B-Class, but actually you can use the same method on any other car too. So what's actually happening here is that this rod goes like this. It gets pushed by the cover against the door, and that builds some pressure, and it can't move that easily like it used to move. So the door actuator tries to close the door several times very quick, and you have this sound. I'm sure when I will take off this cover, the door will open and close without any problems. So what's happening here, this cover presses this rod, something like that, against the body, and when you try to close it, small demonstration, I'm gonna hold it like this. There. The cover presses this rod against the door, and that makes pressure, and that is where you heard this sound. So what I'm willing to do is to press it in like this, hold it like that, and just pull that upper side to yourself just a bit. And then now you pull the lower side to yourself, and you push the upper side back in. Something like that. So to make a small curve here. Now I'm going to put the cover back on, and I'm going to test it out. So easy fix.